Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to add reCAPTCHA to Elementor forms. So what you need to do, first of all, you need to log into your WordPress and make sure you have installed Elementor and Elementor Pro plugin. So once you do that, you will see something like this, and make sure you have Pro version of Elementor. After that, go ahead and search reCAPTCHA on Google. Click on the first link. At the top, you will find V3 admin console. Click on that. And here you are going to enter your domain. After that, reCAPTCHA type. And if you click on challenge, if you want to give the challenge, you can also do that from over here. And we have domain again. You can enter that and click on I agree and click on submit. So this is what I'm going to do right now. Once you do that, you will see something like this. And here we have copy site key and the secret key. Make sure do not share this with anyone. And copy these two both. After that, go back to your WordPress. Once you copy those, find Elementor and go settings. At the top, you will find integration. Click on this, and here you can see reCAPTCHA, site key and secret key. Paste that over here, both of them. Once you paste those keys over here, at the bottom you will find save. Make sure to save it. After that, go to pages on the left side and select any page. And if you want to select existing page, make sure to click on edit with Elementor, or go to add new page and select edit with Elementor. Once you do that, you will see something like this. And here, let's say I want to add form, right? What do you need to do? Just search over here forms, and here is it. Click and drag over here. And if you want to edit this, you can do that obviously, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to add reCAPTCHA. So how you can do that? You can see we have add item. Click on this. We have content, and the what type of content is reCAPTCHA. You can see we have two, V2 and V3. I'm going with the V2. Once you click on that, on the right side, you can see we have added our reCAPTCHA over here. And after that, just click on publish. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to add reCAPTCHA to Elementor forms. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye-bye and take care.